Hey my beauties, welcome back to Soul Sync by Dovey. First of all, thank you so much because my last video on how men fall in love crossed over 1 million views. I honestly didn't expect that, and reading all your comments made me realize how much you guys love understanding male psychology. So I thought, why not talk about why men actually fall in love? In my last video, I explained how men fall in love. But today, we're talking about what they see in a woman that slowly makes them fall. These aren't dating tricks or things you should fake. Number 1. She gets excited over little things. One thing that men secretly love is a woman who genuinely enjoys the little things in life. Maybe she gets excited over a cute puppy walking past, her favorite coffee, a pretty sunset, or finally finding the snack she's been craving. She isn't pretending to be impressed, she simply lets herself enjoy the moment. That kind of happiness is contagious. He starts smiling just by watching her smile, and suddenly ordinary days don't feel so ordinary anymore. Instead of remembering expensive dates, he remembers the way her face lit up over something so simple. Those little moments slowly become some of his favorite memories. Number 2. She laughs like nobody's watching. When she's laughing so hard she forgets to look perfect, something changes. She covers her face, laughs until she can't breathe, leans on the table, or can't even finish what she's saying because she's laughing too much. In that moment, she's completely herself. Men remember those moments far more than perfectly posed photos. Genuine happiness is attractive because it feels real. He starts looking forward to making her laugh again, and without realizing it, her happiness becomes something he wants to protect. Number 3. She looks beautiful without even trying. It's rarely the perfectly planned photo that stays in his mind. Instead, it's when she's fixing her hair while studying, reading a book with complete focus, wearing an oversized hoodie, or tying her hair up without realizing he's watching. Those unplanned moments feel authentic. She's not trying to impress anyone, she's simply existing. Ironically, that's exactly when he notices her the most. The moments she doesn't even know he's watching often become the moments he remembers forever. Number 4. She has her own passions. Whether she's talking about her favorite book, learning a new language, baking, painting, going to the gym, or working toward a goal, her whole personality changes when she talks about something she loves. Her eyes light up, her voice changes, and she forgets to be self-conscious. There's something incredibly attractive about watching someone become passionate. He doesn't just see a pretty face anymore, he sees ambition, curiosity, and personality. That's when admiration slowly starts becoming something much deeper. Number 5. She takes care of herself. She has little routines that make her feel good. She drinks her water, takes care of her skin, dresses nicely because she enjoys it, works out, studies hard, and protects her peace. She isn't doing these things to impress him. She'd do them even if nobody was watching. That quiet confidence stands out. She values herself before asking anyone else to value her, and that naturally earns respect. Men often fall in love with women who already love the life they're building because it shows confidence without needing to say a word. Number 6. She playfully teases him. She steals his hoodie, jokes about his favorite football team, rolls her eyes when he brags about something, lightly bumps his shoulder, or gives him that little smile after proving him wrong. She knows how to tease without hurting him. Those tiny interactions stay in his head much longer than serious conversations. He catches himself smiling at something she said hours later. Suddenly, he starts looking forward to seeing her again because she makes even ordinary conversations fun. Number 7. She makes ordinary moments feel special. She sings quietly while making coffee. She dances in the kitchen. She gets excited over flowers growing by the sidewalk. She takes random pictures of the sky. Somehow, she makes normal days feel memorable without even trying. Eventually, he realizes something surprising. It isn't the places they're going that make him happy, it's simply being with her. That's usually when a man understands he's fallen in love, because she has a way of making everyday life feel extraordinary. The truth is, men rarely fall in love because of one huge romantic moment. It usually happens through dozens of little moments that slowly stay in their minds. That's why love often happens quietly. One day she's just someone he likes. And before he realizes it, she's the first person he wants to tell everything to. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and become part of the Soul Sync family. And tell me in the comments, which one of these do you think makes the biggest difference when a man falls in love? I'll see you in the next one.